Yo, we back. I hope you can see it. I don't know what is the delay on the stream. Just gotta find out what it is. Find out on your own, I guess. Mhm. Sorry guys, I'm setting up few stuff. I'll be back on the stream. Just give me a few seconds. Hello, hello everyone. सब बढ़िया आप बताओ। अरे भाई अभी तो आ रहा हूँ लाइव, उसका देख लो, उसके बाद के देख लेना। If I feel it's okay for me to come live, I will. Don't worry. Don't worry about the future. Just leave. Full pot कर देता हूँ. That's what you do, my guy. Sorry guys, I'm setting up some stuff. I'll be fully back. Just give me a second. Mm. Sorry. Market's probably gonna chop around. Let's see if we can find a trade. If we can, then it'll be nice. Otherwise, it's alright. No need to force anything. Thank you, yeah. I'm no great, but thank you. Appreciate. That's what I expected on NQ as well. NQ, I was expecting it to fall, but now it has gone up into the range. Mm, my buy is gonna be to the short side anyway, so I'm waiting for some inversions. If it can inverse this without taking out this low, then I think I'm targeting this area right there. So that's what my plan is. What do you guys think? What's gonna happen with the NQ? Mhm. Let's see if we can inverse this. That would be my only play if I can do it. We got lows here to be very careful of, right? But I'm willing to play to the downside because I just feel like that we are going down. Not feel like, but technical analysis says so. So hopefully. Okay, we have inverse that. I think short is the play right there. If you wanna play it, probably that's a play. I would like you to place stop above there and take one jump one because of the volatility. It can be pretty choppy trade. It can just take us out. It's just that I'm not risking to so many accounts. Only one account today. Just make sure you're not full porting today. Today is gonna be last stream anyways of the year. If we just chop around here, then I think probably we're gonna get taken out. But the fact that we haven't taken out this low, even this low, going up doesn't make sense in my perspective. But you never know. Okay, GC is falling sharply. Today is the last stream, or I think trading day. Not I think, I know that. For me at least. Of this year. Where I'm gonna trade. It was a week ago where I started de-risking a lot. But yeah. We want a sharp fall from here. No fucking around. Close below this green candle. Would be nice. Close short. We do not want anything. Mm, 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 mm. लेती जा somebody disturb. Lucid Pro or Flex always. Now moment of truth. Like we have taken out the 930 opening low. Do we want to fall down or do we want to continue? That's a question. Uh, we'll be very careful. 23 points. I think take one jump one out today, guys. I don't think so. You should risk even a little bit. 23.73 is your somewhere around there. If it goes there, of course. If it chops around, chops around. ES does want to go down, as you can see on the chart here. Let's see what NQ wants to do. Gold is reaping to the downside. What? It's crazy. It is still playing in the previous day 15-minute range. I don't look at those stuff for now at least. I just play what I see in front of my eyes. That's what I like to do. Yeah, liquidities plus IFPGs. That's all I use. And to be honest, with little bit of experience, you don't need anything else. 50 viewers, guys. Make sure you press the like button if you are here. Hey, how do you form the bias? Same thing. Whatever you do on the lower time frame, just do it on the higher time frame. That's how you form the bias. And the way I look at the market, bias does not come into the play a lots of time. It just here, as you can see, even if my bias was long, I anyway sorted. I mean, in both cases, if my bias was long or short, I would have sorted. Okay, that loss goes out the double bottom. So now it can just straight up go up, take us out, or it can just come back a little bit and then give us a TP. Yeah, that's what I meant, right? If you see something on your chart which does make sense more than your daily bias, just I don't think so. You should be that hard on your daily bias stuff. But yeah, that's a personal choice of people. People wants more and more confirmation, which I do not require a lots of time. This is the part where we find out that it's gonna work out or not. I ideally don't want it to close above this FVG, IFVG. If it does, then I'm gonna think about closing the trade. Closing above this is does not make sense. Are you not trading negative RR? I think you guys live under rock. I stopped doing negative RR a month ago. For me right now positive is working, so I'm doing that. If tomorrow I feel like negative is gonna work out, I'm gonna switch to negative. I have zero reasons for that. You started trading gold too? I just have wow. What was that? Yes, it's still very, so I'm not gonna do whatever works for you guys. Do not think that this is the norm right now. I should do this. I switch to positive RI. It doesn't mean you should do it too. It doesn't make sense. Whatever is working for you, do that. That's the only suggestion I think I can give you, which is gonna be on top of the list. Does not matter what anybody is doing. Hello Srini, what's up? Keeping it that simple, liquidity, IFGs. Yeah, that's all you need, Chetan, to be honest. Oh, PMI, that was PMI. Okay. I would suggest that taking a one jump one out is the best thing to do. Today is the last day of the year. You wanna close the day on the green. That's what I would suggest. But that is on you what to do. I mean, in the end, it's always on you guys what to do. I'm not gonna come there and press buttons for you. Wow, that's a PMI. Why off timings? Why? What the? It missed my TP for only 1 point. That was some crazy move. In between the trading. After 2 minutes of the news, we get the move. As long as we are not closing about that, I'm okay. As soon as we close about that, I'm getting the fuck out of this trade. Gold is bearish. Gold is way too much into bearish. It has fall more than 30 points. That is fucking crazy. and it is keep falling. Uh, if you are new, just trade in NY session, nothing else. Have you passed eval? Do you trade? See, I am into trade on one eval, which is like two mini. I'm just gonna risk everything on that. I know this is my A plus setup. I know I was almost halfway there through passing it here. It did not hit my TP, but doesn't matter to me because I do make money out of the market. But if you're new, pretty new, I guess even for you, I don't suggest going too slow. Try to be confident. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna watch out what market is doing here. If it close above this, I think this is the final defense system. ES is going straight up, and I think that's has to be some kind of news. Shouldn't be doing this at all. All right, it has closed. I'm just gonna close the position and see what I can do. Unlucky. I was so close to taking one jump one out, but yeah, doesn't matter. You all wait for it. Unlucky. Is 4K per month realistic for newbie? I would suggest do not target in terms of payouts. That I want to take two, three payouts. It doesn't matter the amount of money you are taking out per payout. Just target the number of payouts. Mhm. Yeah, as soon as this inversed, wanted to go for that ice. Let's see if we can find something else. It was so close to one gem one, but again 1:1, but again 2275, and I think did it give me my math is correct or not? Let's see if we inverse this after taking out this high. Hmm, hmm. I think this all chops should get swapped before we do anything else. Yep, that high goes. Yep, highs get swapped now. Let's see now what market wants to do. I think it's a year-end rally, but if you see, was completely wrong on my bias today. That's fine. Now it's gonna get boring if it just starts pumping. I want something interesting, inversions or stuff like that. Hello, welcome to the stream. I just want to see what it does on this top. If it doesn't do anything interesting, then I'm gonna get it done with. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it does because I want something interesting. over the past few years. Start the new year with the accounts. Hello. Yes, I am. Yeah, I don't think so. With prop firm, it is any hard to make 1K. In the starting, yes, it will feel like it's hard to make $1,000 per month. But with prop firms and the game you can play with them, it's pretty easy. What do you mean by that? मैं payout से बहुत पास हूँ मगर yeah, it feels like that always. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. Trust in yourself. Alright. Short can form if anybody wants to play it. 20 point stop, same. Stop about here. Targeting. There is no fixed RR for me. At least I try to take one gem one. That's the only thing. Uh, and how many trades? It depends on. I have multiple accounts, so I try to find trades all the time. But you shouldn't do that as a beginner. If you are beginner, I don't know if you are or not. If you want 1K per month, Lucid Flex will be the best plan. They have no consistency. But first, you will have to pass the account. Once you pass the account, you can take it slow. There are not, I mean, if you want 1K per month, your journey to the के जो buffer बनाने क्या है, let me just say it in Hindi so lots of other people can understand as well. कि बफर बनाने का वाला पार्ट है कि जे 2000 $2500 whatever you need to make first. नहीं नहीं नहीं, but to withdraw $1000 you gotta make $2000, right? That's what I'm talking about. No buffer rule. $100 का ही buffer rule है तो that doesn't make close to nothing. But yeah, I would suggest that at least run up your account to till $2500 and then you can withdraw $1000 and then you have nothing to do whole month, right? You can wait for next month or start working. But I don't think so. You should think like that in the proper industry कि तुम हजार ही निकालो और फिर बंद हो जाओ ट्रेडिंग करने का. I think you should continue finding new opportunities all the time. uh, the more experience you will get, the more it will help. The more screen time it will help more later on in your career when you are trying to scale from 1 to 10, 10 to 100. It is not straightforward trading prop firms. It is not just math के 100 1K per account into 10 account 10K हो जाऊंगा. That's not how it works. I think Himanshu, that question was answered in the Discord. I saw that. Most of the firms doesn't allow it other than Apex. How was your birthday this year? I didn't do anything. Just went to dinner. I think there is a cap on withdrawing on 50K accounts. I think it is $2,000. So if you wanna withdraw $2,000, you can make 4K. You can make much more than that. It doesn't matter. You can make buffer for your next payout. Doesn't matter. Because I don't want to, Gulsan. I think that's the simplest answer I can give you. I like positive right now better. I told you, na, if I find a good trade, I'm just gonna put 2 minutes into it and then let it ride. That's what my strategy is. I'm not gonna invent a new strategy for anything. It's just what I'm doing. I'm gonna do it already, but aggressively. That's all. Just trade normal because if you get rejected for payout, you can just flip the days and request the payout. Don't worry about those rules a lot. I would say if you gonna Apex has multiple rules on the MEA and stuff, so don't worry about those stuff. Just trade normal. If you get rejected for payout, just flip next 8 days and take the payout. I think that's what my suggestion will be. If you want to close at 1 hour, but I think we already lost 1 hour, so at least for me it makes sense to target 2 hour in this trade to be up little bit. So yeah, yeah, that's the point, Pranayam. That's what I do. I just have a good run in the starting days of my account, and as I just flip the days to take payout, milk the account, drain the whole account, and then if my accounts get blown, I'm just gonna buy new one. 17 December 20 तक 95 days कौन पता नहीं जब आता हूँ तो पागल. That's gonna happen. It happened with me. It happens with every trader. So don't worry. It's a phase. It will pass. Nobody can skip any stage just because you're gonna get some suggestions from me or somebody else. It doesn't matter. You're gonna go through the same phase I went through. Yes, the possibilities are that you will go through it faster because of the suggestions and stuff, but you cannot skip it. It will stop once you understand that uh, once you will detach yourself from the results in terms again it sounds cheesy, but again that's the truth. We have swept the lows, but let's see what happens. Yes, I am in Gujarat right now. Why not keep account for the long term? I don't get paid for running my account for long term. I get paid what I withdraw, and I know at some point every trader goes on the tilt, so it's way better that you drain the account, take the money out as much as possible before that day arrives of where you go on tilt. first 3 4 years of your career, you will have to do that no matter what. Sure, bye, Jaisu. You will not able to detach from results until you भाई तुम दीवार से 50 बार नहीं टकराओगे. You will not be able to do it. You're gonna make same mistake 50 times, and then once you realize enough is enough, you're gonna stop doing that. Once you take one payout, being disciplined without thinking about a lot, okay, what's gonna happen, what's not gonna happen, you realize that's the key, and you will keep repeating that stuff. Hello, I'm a beginner. Where do I start? Find a strategy that works. Whatever strategy you want to do it, just keep repeating same day every day. Try to get better at the strategy again and again. Just keep doing stuff. That's all. How many? I invested somewhere close to $65,000. Yeah, for 1K Lucid Flex is good. That's good number. You invested $3,400. You took out $8,600. You made a double, more than double your money. So that's good. But how can I meet you? If we have a meetup, I'll let you know, guys. Do you have daily target for your risk heavy and flip the rest of the day? Yeah, that's daily target is just I should be able to take at least $2,000 payout. That's my point of view. Your can be any number you want. Sorry if I'm missing chat because it's moving too fast and I'm not used to it. I'm used to having two people watching my stream. Lucid is one of the top, I think for me, top three firm for everybody. It's gonna be top three firm. Like their customer support, everything is top notch, right? Rules, you can go into our Discord, you will find the rules or their FAQ. It's as simple as that. Almost same rules as Tradify. Really appreciate it. How did you make 200K in payout? This is not my first year making 200K. So guys, I did make 200K last 234K last year as well, but expense was way much higher. I worked on reducing my expense this year. I'm gonna continue doing that. So yeah. Buy any more plans? Trade. This is trading channel, so I keep it to the trading channel. B कर दूं क्या? Yeah, I think it makes sense to be this trade. I think it gave one gem 2 as well. Why could you explain your strategy in short? ICT concept 2022 model and the inversions. That's all. If you want to learn what I do, just go to ICT's channel 2022 model. Just find out that, watch all his videos, keep repeating for 2 3 years, and then learn about inversion, add that to the strategy, and then you will be able to do that. Bro, I scalp. Yeah, anything works. Anything, whatever works for you, trade flex. It doesn't matter. Alright guys, it gave one gem too. So we recovered this 1 hour and made 1 hour. My my buy is gonna be the same. Yeah, I want that 650 level to be out. Let's go by WW trade. Uh hey sir, I want your mentorship. How can I buy? Just DM me on Discord. I'll guide you through. There will be a price discussion, sorry, announcement today. We have changed the price, reduced the price a lot for everybody who can, I mean, who wants to join. So, yeah. It's gonna be one time thing. Its price gonna go back to same thing soon enough. All right, boys. We are going down. Let's see if we can take out the lows and stuff. Let's go excited here. One jump two. What is the price by the way? It's not normal mentorship. It's not gonna be cheap. The price was 120, 1.2 lakhs INR. And I think I'm gonna reduce it 40k, 30k. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it will be announced on this call. W trade, yes. And don't think that I just opened mentorship right now. I've been doing this since last 2 years. Every futures traders that you see online doing better, 75% of them are my students or students of my students. So yeah, that is why I charge what I charge. Trade recap, it's as simple as that. We took out the high inversion. Proud to be your student. Yes, sir. Srini is one of my student who ran up his 10,000 live account to 45,000 dollars. I'm not saying I'm not taking all the credits. He has done phenomenal on his part, working all day, trying to get better. It's always I'm just 5%, but I can tell you where you are going wrong. That's where I come in. I'm close to Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Yeah, Prithvi was, I still remember my first batch. Which broker? I have no, I mean, I have very little idea about which broker. I think you can DM Srini on his X account, find out because he has it. Again, I would select account in Tradify, use code Vedic always to support us. It's the same account as Flex. So yeah. Let's go Prithvi W. Many more. I want $100,000 this year from you. I am 20. I am student. Love trading, but I am confused in what to choose between. See, if you are confused, that is that your answer. Even I was 19, 20, 21. Let's say if I when I made my decision, I was 21, but I had zero doubt. ऑल सीजन गारंटेड रिजल्ट्स इसलिए बंद कर दिया कि पीपल weren't trying at all to learn, or they were putting all blame on us. So it's way better, and Indian space is not to work towards that. I think I could have earned way much more money by just doing that, but I stopped it just because it's not the right thing to do with the kind of audience we have. uh Top space is has been here, like it's not, I mean, top step has been around the space since last 15 years. It is not new, right? So as long as they don't do fuck ups like funding ticks did, any firm can survive. Thank you, Ars. Really appreciate kind words. Do you need daily bias, or what time frame do you look for bias? See, in this chart, whatever you saw in today's stream, where did bias came in? I never said that my bias. Okay, I did say that my bias is to short side, but it never played a part in my trade, right? I could have longed here, but I wasn't ready to long there. I just wanted to take out that high and then come back down. I don't care after taking out this low, it goes somewhere. But if you want to find out the bias, whatever you are doing on the lower time frame, just do it on the higher time frame, you will find it. Yeah, I get it. I get it, Mark. Wait. It is hard. It is hard, and it will get harder if you choose that career. It's a hell in the starting of your career. But you gotta make up your mind, right? And whatever your parents are saying, it's not wrong, to be honest. Whatever my parents said when I started trading career wasn't like this is not gonna work out, whatever. It is not wrong. They were right. But I put in the hard work hours into trading again and again. Yes, I failed 20 times. They didn't want me to go through that phase. That me failing 20 times, 30 times. It is not that easy. It takes a toll on you. So they don't want you to go through that phase, and that is why they say that don't do it. But if you really want to go through it, you know what to do. See, it is not case for everybody, right? All season. It is not case for, and if you trust me that much, see my point of, why I did stop that, because if somebody will trust me with their money, they're gonna trust me anyways. They don't need guarantees because they know how I operate. I hope you find your answer, Mark Wade. You gotta ask yourself. You can never go online and ask somebody. I think you should gotta ask yourself that do you wanna go through hell for 2 years or not? Do you trade gold? No, I just look at it. I'm trying to get my head around it, but I think to master anything, it takes time. Any indices or anything, any instrument, it takes time, at least 2 3 years. So I don't put hard-earned money on that. I just try to understand what gold is doing here and there. After 2 years, maybe I'll start looking at it, but first I need to get my hours, at least 5,000, 6,000 hours on that gold to see what I can do with it. Uh, See, I do not like to give description of the mentorship. Mentorship wraps around everything. It is not just trading part. It is everything from your personal to trading to everything. I treat everybody as my brothers in the mentorship. I talk to them on calls lots of time if they have any issues about mainly about trading, but outside of trading as well. So mentoring is not just, it is not course. It's a mentorship. You gotta able to differentiate in between that. You learned ICT 2 years ago and still struggling with property past you are not good. You will get better at it. Just keep working, improve on mistakes. I think that's the way to go it. No, I would have taken that trade anyways. As soon as I see a displacement to the downside inversions, I just would have taken that trade anyways. Hmm. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. I think if you want mastery wala, the cheaper if not cheaper, but the one who has three classes a day, You should just ask Sahil because he knows better. I know about one-on-one mentorship because I run that. Sahil runs the other one, so you can ask him. Thank you, Prithvi. Really appreciate that. That's if this gets supported and we go up or we gets through this job. Of course, this gonna work as resistance, whatever you call it. The market can bounce back of this job. But if we get through this, I think this is close. Can I pay you in the PayPal or payment? I'll let you know about just stay up to date with the Discord announcement. I'll have to figure stuff out for that. I know I have tens, at least 10 people asking me that they want to pay through that, but it is very difficult for me to do that, because of Indian governments and stuff. But yeah, I will try my best to find out. By please stream. I'm gonna try to do it. If I'm not streaming, I'll just upload the recap of the whatever I'm trading. I'm just gonna be very consistent with the content in 2026. Crucial moment. Either we inverse this, go straight down, take out these lows, or we support this thing and then go up again. Let's see. Mm, I announced that Sile deep today. I think you should read that. Lost 7 lakhs in the market. See, everybody, all I don't have to tell you that, right? That how it is. These markets are brutal. And what happened to me, I'm gonna talk about, make one video about my whole journey from 2022, starting futures trading to 2025. In one video, you will see what I was going through when I was in your phase. Thank you, Margaret. I really appreciate that. Wow. Hmm. Thank you for your friend as well too for recommending. How do you be that much consistent? You are super cool. Thank you, bro. Because really appreciate. It doesn't being consistent is not a thing, or it's not that difficult. Of course, being consistent in profitability can be difficult, but coming every day to the charts, reading charts, putting hours on the charts, that should not be difficult at all. If you love this game, you're gonna do that. Results are the different detach yourself from the results. What I mean by that, just keep working. One day it will work out for you, and you're gonna thank yourself for continuing towards, your goal, or trying to achieve whatever you wanted to achieve. Just there is no way you can fail if you work hard enough. If you are failing, just that means just you're not working hard enough. That's the thing. Thank you, Janice. Really appreciate kind words. So I posted. Okay, let me just talk about what happens on all. Social media. Okay, it is very toxic how people. try to demotivate yourself. Okay, so this is why this is what I talked about. That okay, whatever you see online, most of the traders are. If you go, you can read it about that. And I get a comment. Oh, sorry, I get tagged in one post. Okay, I'm not gonna go through his post and promote him, but just know that what he said was that everything is free online, whatever, blah 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 blah. I said it is free. It is free. I'm not saying it is not free. Just go and try. If it was that easy to learn, if it was that easy to learn from free sources outside, सब बन जाते ना profitable. Why I have a ratio of 70% of student being profitable, and why everybody outside who's learning from free sources has only 3-4%. So that means if I come in uh, with that kind of numbers of 70% people being profitable after my mentorship, that means I'm doing something, right? That means actually I'm making difference, but people do not understand that it's not only about trading, it's all about psychology, how to operate with the firms, prop firms, how to use them properly, mm, how to navigate, how to scale from one account to two account to 10 accounts. I have never failed my students on the teaching. Find me one student who can say that I don't know how to trade, or I don't know how to trade prop firms, or I never, I kept secrets about what I make money on that. Never. I've been working in this space since 3 years before he was born. Whoever posted that. नहीं पहचाना they will again मैं बूढ़ा हो चुका हूँ. I completed my 25th year this year, so दिमाग थोड़ा हिल गया है मेरा. Oh shit. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ डेविल भाई. Why did you start trading? I'm still don't tell me. Because I was never best at anything. I was good at lots of stuff. I was good student in school. I was good at, I guess, in the college, good enough in college, but I was never best at anything. I wanted to be something. I wanted to be best at something. And I think trading just was the thing, I guess. Yeah, I mean, listen this as well, I guess. Let me finish this anyways. स्ट्रीम में बोरिंग हो जाएगा वरना. So I started trading 2021, 2020. Futures, if you talk about NQ, I started trading that in 2022. Okay, we have gone through this. Now I want a sharp fall, otherwise it's gonna just chop around. I heard Apex are sending some mail. Should we trust them? What I mean, if you are new, I mean, if you don't, if you always get stuck in the eval phase, Apex is a good firm for you. They're gonna pay you out no matter what. If you don't do fuck ups or you don't do shady stuff, they're gonna pay you out. If they ask for something, if they ask for your strategy, just write them an email with everything that this is my strategy, blah blah blah. What give them what they want. Market, you can go to my live streams. You will see 2022 live streams of me trading with Top Step. I have proofs as well. 2 months, Chris. It's gonna be 2 months and more if I feel like you guys need more time. Yo, Vijay, what's up? Vijay was also in my first or second batch. He has been doing. He was, I think, somewhere around first to go live with any firm. As far as I remember. Your chart can be delayed. If you don't have data or firm account, your chart can be delayed. Live with the Phidias route now. Let's go. W. Yes, that's what I announced, no, Sile Tip. I announced that I will be coming live with you guys as well. So don't worry. Let's go 20k. Big fit, big fit. Next year 100k. I want everybody who was in my first batch, second batch, or third batch who has crossed even 10k, 15k this year. I want you to guys aim for 100k. It's fine if you fall to like 1650k. It doesn't matter. 100k. Just focus on goals. Focus on milking these forms as much as possible. Sahil is your student. I met Sahil when he was. He already took payout, so props to him before meeting me. But scaling was where I came in with his trading. He's trader on his own. I mean, he has learned a lot of things on his own. But yeah, yes, 150k, 200k should be easy for you guys. People like Srini, Vijay, Prithvi, Aryan, Abhinav. There are lots of people I can name. I still remember those guys who joined me, trusted me with their hard-earned money when I had no track record with that kind of expensive mentorship. Yes, yes, yes. And my PM session, you can do it. It's fine. It's the same thing. It is not that easy, pranayam. It is very hard and it is different to people to people. I need your trading data. I need how you think about problems and everything. It is not that easy. Trust me. Uday is chilling in Goa. He's enjoying his life. Do you expect a sharp fall? If not sharp fall because of the liquidity, there is less liquidity in the holiday period, I think. But I expect NQ to go down. That's what I think. Yes, yes, I'm gonna plan something, Vijay. Don't worry. I'm bringing back all of you guys so you can help my new students as well. Don't worry. So you can take some weight off me and teach those guys a few stuff here and there. Yes, he is. Aryan joined me mid 2025. It will be announced in Discord. Kiljer. But it's gonna be about 60k. That's what I can tell you. It's priceless. My mentorship is priceless. Yeah, it's gonna be cheaper than 120. I'm planning to do some stuff. But yeah, I think I have the most expensive mentorship out there. No? For 2 months. For now, it's 1 lakh trading gains. USD, it's gonna be somewhere around $1,200. Come on, NQ, do not chop around. I want the fall. I want the heavy, sharp fall. I hope everybody did make money on this trade today. Let's go, W. That's what I like to see. People win. And I'm nowhere saying that you should join or whatever. You can do your own thing. मैं घर पे आके तो नहीं बोल रहा कि join करो वो सब. Just do your own thing. And I do come live. I am planning to come live every day. So it's not gonna make sense if you just want to copy my trade. You wanna learn, that's a different stuff. Yeah, it does include that. You will see every trade I take in the mentorship. That's course by that should be the plan. रे जिंकल भाई बस मजा में आप बताओ. Yeah, you can learn from my free stuff, Siddharth. I know it is very hard, but it is, you have to look at my perspective as well, from my point of view as well, that yes, I did. My first ever mentorship was for 1 rupees. Whoever trusted me at that point, or my first big mentorship was 50K when I had no track record. People who believed in me took advantage of that. Right now, it doesn't make sense for me to do something like that because it's gonna take a lots of time for me to even make changes in your trading. I go through everything. Your trading, your what is touching your psychology, what is not. मैं तुम्हें गालियाँ देता हूँ, मैं सब कुछ करता हूँ. I keep yourself accountable for everything. I care about your trading more than mine. And I'm gonna come live. You can ask me question here. It's fine. You can join later after taking $5,000-10,000 payouts from here. See, I have my first 50K master 1K weekly reward cap account. If I will make buffer, that will it be easy to make $200 per with negative RR? Yes, Sri. Buffer, I think negative RR all in all. If you willing to put hours into it, you will find. See, Aryan is still doing negative RR. I think 50 or 60% of the students who learned negative RR from me are still doing it. Aryan is pulling more than 15K a month. So it is very much possible to take out 1K as a beginner. Thank you for understanding, Siddharth. Bye. That is not mine, it's Sahil's. Gaurav bhai. Base thing. Even I won't be able to teach you guys the like he's gonna teach you is ICT. Right? Go to his YouTube channel, watch every video out there, watch it twice, 3 times, 4 times, and see what you can learn from there. It's gonna take a little bit time understanding his language of teaching you, but I am telling you, even I won't be, even if I charge 10 lakhs, I won't be able to teach like him. I'm just being very honest. Duration will be 2 months and more if I feel like you haven't learned, or if you put all the times or whatever I want you to put in and you still lack something, I'm gonna give you more time. It doesn't, there is no deadline. Deadline is when I say it is done, it is done. Minimum 2 months, maximum, and there is no deadline. Salvan in the house. कहाँ है भाई? Let's go. That's a drop we want. Parijat, let's go. W. What's up? So that's my first batch. Prithvi, Vijay, Parijat, and there was two other guy. But yeah, ICT syllabus is too vast. If you think it is too vast, then you know where the problem is. 2022 model, 2022 year mentorship, best. Let's see if we can hold this. Once we take out this low, I want even this low. I want it to hold this low, but I don't think so. It's gonna do that. Is it now? Yes, Sri. That's the target. That should be the target. For me, right now it's two only. One eval, one live account. That's all I'm trading. Why don't you trade CFD? I never wanna touch CFD firms at all. Why would I want to be get scammed? You know. Once you put, see, for me it's very less. So Sri. I mean, the the potential I have and the kind of money I make, I feel like I'm still not doing enough. Yes, sir. 100%. I don't know about volume footprint. And again, I don't know. I don't want to say anything. If that is working for somebody, then good enough. People people make fun of ICT concept all the time. I don't pay attention. It is working for me. I'm gonna use it. It is making me money. I don't care. It will be uploaded soon, Siddharth. Bhai. It will be uploaded soon. I will have to check with Sahil. Because of New Year, he is little busy, but he will soon fix that. Not right now. Trading gains. I do not do it right now. This is what I trade. Whatever you see. 215k in payout is used. It is used. I'm not saying I'm not grateful for that. I am grateful for that. But again, you know what I mean. Yes, it will get copied. Pan. Yes. You can trade leader account anywhere you want. It will get copied to the followers. Alright guys, I think market is slowing down. Most of you already booked your profit, so nothing. Uh, Thank you. Satisfaction भाई भाई तुम अपने नाम लिख के आओ यार. Also, have a happy new year. If I don't come live tomorrow, happy new year, guys. Make 2026 yours. It is hard sometimes to look at things clearly when you are down, but I think the best thing to do is keep one foot in front of other keep going, and things will get clear soon enough. Till then, if just keep going, keep going, keep going, that's the only thing you can do. Doesn't matter what, right? If you know that this thing is for you, it's gonna work out, you should not even doubt it at all, even 1% of that. Hope that you become successful in 2026, all of you. I will join most of the time in New Year, I mean in 2026. But yeah, happy New Year, guys. I'll see you guys. Take care. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.